Hello everyone. Today our topic is properties of determinant. First property is the value of the determinant remains unchanged if its row and column are interchanged. Means that if del 1 is equal to 2 minus 3 5 6 0 4 1 5 7, if we change its row into column, means first row into first column, second row into second column, third row into third column, then the value of the both determinant will be same. Second property, if any two row or column of a determinant are interchanged, then sign of the determinant changes. Means that if del equal to a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3, now we have changed first row to the second row, first row to the second row, then the value of del 1 will be negative sign of del. Third property, if any two row or column of a determinant are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. Means suppose करो first column is 1 2 3 and second column is 1 2 3 also, then the value of the determinant is equal to 0. Next property, if each element of a row or a column of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k, then its value gets multiplied by k. Suppose that del equal to a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3, we have multiplied by k to the first element, then the value of del 1 is equal to the k time of del. Next property, if sum or all element of a row or column of a determinant are expressed as sum of two or more terms, then the determinant can be expressed as sum of two or more determinants. Suppose of that first determinant is a1 plus lambda 1, a2 plus lambda 2, a3 plus lambda 3, and second row is b1 b2 b3, and third row is c1 c2 c3. Because here given first row is the sum of two values, so it can be expressed as the sum of two determinant, that is a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3, and second one is del 1 lambda 1 b1 c1 and lambda 2 b2 c2, lambda 3 b3 c3. And the next property is, if to each element of any row or column of a determinant the equimultiplies of corresponding element of a other row or column are added, then the value of the determinant remain the same. That is, if the value of the determinant remain same, if we apply the operations r1 is equal to r1 plus k time of rj, or c1 is equal to ci plus k cj, means if any row is added to the other row by k time, then the value of the determinant will be unchanged.